megalayapost.news.
Nganyai ne ka jinglong bonlong beriu basurin bat tristom na ka banta burom ya ki ba ka constituency ya karibhoy bat ka jelai berkowe ong ba ses sutun MLA bat MDC ke jerang ubalalong ru menta ku menteri ha ka sarkar jela ha ka sinsya pun ku burom ha jerang ha ka jingkren jongu hakmat ki ba ses sutun ula pla ba ru dak boong bom da sutan politik henry don pat ka mensim sekri ba da ka mensim basurin klem da don kono ke jingle siliang yano ru ha ka siapin ku burom hakino ilam ke NPP jirang blok uba asas nusutun ula batai nadu ke por bolo job nengkong haka election house name arjar pra haka ba uloong ba mar yalong ku MLA uduai sya ublei bonu ai ke jing start jing sempang nangta kemensim basurin bandon ke jing terlang bat ke menteri sarkar ki officer sarkar lem bat ki ba susu ula pen mau haka election arjar apply labun ke jing syakren bat ke jing syakren tho hagi babun bat kamtam ki banabar ke constituency haka bakasur kami baun rembek haka election hendai paiba ke jarang konsensi kisah tu ya kejing tray ku MLA bat kumta kila penjab dan berom yu haka sen ke baar
dan kejing kemen bat kejing su sarong ya lagi beri ke konsensi ya ke district beri ke jumi ya ke jela beri ke jumi ngeso ban pau I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, for giving me this opportunity, to be in the cabinet. And this time again, I would like to request each one of you, please pray for me for this new venture. Kumbang isang ikijiwai nabasam ada kapra ipi kepimpu jiwai dan katuna. Kenapa lima banaya ke jingsikri kababhata mi kipaiba ke konsensi ke district pada ke jelahi berkuai. Haga kanbritrik jomlu nai galayo dan bounce mai kong minister haga kanyo trik karon ka program apo uling ko but must that grand kawan ka message ba hilay pwede committee block. And thank you so much. Our video is here, Dr. Hajong. The video of Jirang Block is very hardworking officer, and I hope that our Jirang Block, Umling Block, and all the block office of the district and the state, the officers, the staff, will work together hand in hand with the government. Hand in hand, we will work together to give the best services to the people of Jirang Constituency, to the people of our district, and to the people of the state of Meghalaya. We have the Khasi community, the Garo community, Karbi community, the Boro, Rabha, the Nepalese, Assamese, Bihari, Bengalis, Bakuta Datar. Ka konsensi Kabaruspa. Our constancy is rich in culture and tradition. And I am very happy, so to say, very fortunate to have such a beautiful conference. It's a vast in area. We have the Eastern GS Road, Western Rivoy, the border areas. It's all mixed with different communities. So it makes me feel the joy how to carry forward my services to the people of my constituency. Being rich in culture and tradition, the active participations of different cultures, different tribes in every programs, and with the beautiful surroundings all along the areas of my constituency. Ka constituency kajungi kene ka constituency ka Barispa. Ninyo na kajingdan ijat beliau baper Kiktian Katolik ka kata ka riam kabe lalu kata ka culture kapamagitan ka tradition but kumunang mikmat lalu upadon boktam bangayo pan mikmat ya ka konsensi kajungi. Politics is not my dream. Yang politics kami kajing Bosnia Bajona. Henry nga ayo yublay baling ba inong yalang ipat pa ang konsensi ibabu ya kajisya niya nga banganyo panlikmat ya ka konsensi kajungi. I would like to thank the NPP Jirang Bloc, the people of my constituency for putting the trust on me. You have faith on me, so we have to deliver. I remember the first time I was elected as the local MLA of Jirang Constituency in 2018. I wonder, where shall I start from? Yes, from time to time, I used to discuss with my colleagues, our leaders, where shall I start from? We are very happy at the time of counting where we won the election. We are all excited because we won the election. I myself, I'm very happy. Nasukuan mga kulupur habang nag-job election. Pag-ipay pa, pinay-recommend. The next morning, at the time, when I woke up, I was thinking at the time, where to start from? Now understand, the constancy ko yan, ipapa ibapun, kajing sadin ibapun. I pray to God Almighty. Ngabu at ijingway, ijingapat ublay. Bonay na ijingsta, ijingsyamhang, Kaminsin to the insolent. But kumlo pangalaman ay kajing sakri ka papakam. Bangyo kajing but the ministers. Bangyo kajing lang but the officers. Kumlo ban pentelun ni kakam. Kamtang ni kampan roy kakakonsensi kajungi. Arja kapra atau arja apulai. Achievements kiba lingba kasoka lingba kidreshtam ki officers ka consensi ke jumi baru pro ngomong iba no shine ilarong kung ka model na menjadi weipat nama baru ke branch pangketiran consensi for the different developments that is happening between the year 2018 and 2023. But still, election is election. 2023, many of the leaders, especially people from outside, are consensi. Kamtam itu kenapa? Pokok kinoyam, iriu, pakmat, kioma jiran consensi. 2023 NPP will not come. They said that NPP will lose the election. I will lose the election. But people of Jiran constituency, they knew better. Ipaipa yung Jiran constituency, kita kampamaki. But ngalayo yang banaya kejisikri na ipaipa sa agaja akula kasin kepada second term, which you have put faith on me. But kajian nanti kejungi kamput nagayan juga kumbu Emily bring back kejungi Krishton kejung Pinoy Lambaro with all the hard works, the collective responsibility of all the leaders, we could push to many developmental works. Ibon ki kampung roy kiba gilayo. Balik lang pati nongilam pati officers, kinongilam ng party, kinongilam siyong prepare. Kibira na hangi kisoda siyong isketri siyong. Ngayon kung unong ikmat, ubang sipa ang presiden, yan ang inuro. But the practice ka junaro, dalam puntai.
MegalayaPost.news